What's up, everybody? I've done a lot of experimenting this year with my trading, trying out different styles. I wanted to figure out what is the overall best way to do this because let me be serious here. I would like to grab my Beamer this upcoming year. And I discovered that as far as risk management, compounding is the winner. I usually keep around a 70 to 80% win rate pretty consistently, but even with just a 60% win rate, you can see here that compounding is still superior to regular trading by a long shot. But with all that said, I have had better performance personally with just regular trading. The problem with compounding is that you need to win all 3 trades in a row. It happened a lot that I would get to the 3rd trade and lose, win 2 in a row and lose the 3rd. This is really stressful since you not only lose the money you already made, but you also lose an additional trade on top of that. It ends up still being better for profit in the long run since just one 3R compound cycle is a 63x gain. It will pretty much cover whatever losses that you had. But as far as feeling good and not feeling stressed out, I'll take the lower profit from regular trading for now. I think in a year or two, I'll feel more experienced and ready to use a compounding strategy full time. Trading is all about mental discipline at the end of the day. You build this up by trading every day and learning what not to do. So for completing the $100,000 FTMO challenge, for example, you can use 0.4% risk and go for 10 to 15R weekly. Using regular trading, go for 3 to 5R daily and leave yourself room for a red day here and there. This is the slow and steady way of doing it. It will take up to 4 weeks to get it done this way, but like I said, you will be way less stressed out and more level-headed through the experience. When compounding, you'll have possibly an entire week of red days. With regular trading, I'll usually only have 1 red day per week, if that. I'll be referring to the risk percentages in relation to the account size from now on. I do trade based off the max loss amount, which in the case of FTMO is 10% of the entire account, but it's confusing for a lot of people. So the $100,000 FTMO account, 1% is $1,000, 0.1% is $100. We'll just make it easy for everyone to understand going forward. Also, I wanted to make an announcement about the course. I will be doing a pretty big overhaul of the course. This will be version 2.5 and it will be a free upgrade for anyone who purchased version 1.0 or 2.0. I wanted to show my appreciation for all the support I've gotten and give you guys an even better experience. Many more live examples of actual trading patterns. Many more topics will be covered, like different trading and psychology books that I recommend reading, more in depth on correlated pairs and the pairs you should be focusing on for the new year. The Forex world is constantly evolving. For example, I stopped trading the cross pairs because they just have been very inconsistent for almost the entire year since the whole worldwide sickness thing. I now focus on the major pairs, the Euro GBP, the AUD NZD, and the yen pairs. So all of this will be added into the updated course. For any new buyers, the price will be $349, and everyone who purchased will receive a discounted rate for any new versions of the course in the future. I don't have a set date for the update yet, but definitely sometime within the next couple of months, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. Also, I do want to do more live trading videos and session recaps. I think a great way to learn is to see what real actual patterns look like as they're forming. I don't get a lot of views from those kinds of videos, but they aren't really too time consuming for me to make, so I will definitely be doing more of those in 2023. If you watched my latest video, you already know that I'm done trading for the rest of 2022 and I'll be back to trading normally on January 3rd. And probably the most important announcement is that I made some adjustments to my personal trading plan and I will now cap the max daily trades at 6. If I have 3 losses in a row, I'll stop trading for that session. This is great since a single 3 reward win on the following session will immediately cover the losses from that day and put me back at 0, which is break even. I've noticed that when the major pairs especially are moving heavy on one day, they will typically not be as easy to trade on the following session. When this happens, I try to get a trade out of the Euro GBP, AUD NZD, or one of the yen pairs instead. This has been working really well for me the past couple of months. There are many different things coming soon that will probably affect the Forex market. Talks about a central bank digital currency. There's the BRICS reserve currency that is in the works. The crypto world will possibly be changing or being regulated due to the FTX Sam Bankman-Fried situation. Precious metals and commodities may be gaining value since the fiat currencies may be losing their value. These are all topics I'll be keeping an eye on. 2023 will be an interesting year for sure. Also, I didn't forget to update you guys on the yield node situation. I wanted to wait and see what ultimately ended up happening before I spoke on it. Short version, it looks like they will be restructuring to include nuclear energy and maybe precious metals or mining into their investment portfolio. I believe they are guaranteeing a 5% payout for the month of December. I'll do an entire video on that once I have more information. So that is all for today. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the content and subscribe for more Forex trading and investing content. I would recommend not trading anymore for the rest of this year, but continue trading responsibly in 2023. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone, and I'll see you guys later.